Hey, do you want to upgrade your image with Google Nano Banana? So first, go to this website, type here Banana Prompt XYZ. Then click on this website, Banana Prompt. Then from here, you can explore many options. You can copy from here, then go to Google Nano Banana website. Then click here, try Nano Banana in Gemini. Then paste your prompt here. Then select the image from here, upload your image. Then click on submit. Then wait for a second. Let's see what result you will get. See, you can download from here. You can try this.